You can manifest money prosperity by burning bay leaf. Bay leaf has long been associated with money, prosperity, good luck, good fortune, and it has been used in many cultures and for generations. A lot of people use bay leaf manifestation. If you are not, you've not heard of this or you've not done it before, then this video is specifically for you. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. My name is Lukman, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to burn bay leaf to attract money prosperity, and it's going to be step by step. Bay leaf is a spice. A lot of people know it as spice. They use it in cooking different dishes, jollof rice, soups, tea, and the rest. But it has a lot of medicinal properties, and most importantly, it is used to manifest money, prosperity, fortune, abundance, good luck to you. So, what are the steps? Number one step is you have to get clear on what you want and why you want it. If you want money, why do you want the money? You have to be clear on that. That's the first step. If you are not clear of this step, then you cannot move to step 2. Step 1 is you have to get clear of what you want and why you want it. In this case, we want to manifest money. So you have to be clear, you have to be sure of exactly the money you want and why you want the money. Number 2, the step 2 is to script your intention on the bay leaf. You script it. The first one is to actually be clear. This is what I want. But the second step is to script what you want on the bay leaf. And there are different ways to script. You can write in a statement form. You can write in the affirmative manner, like, thank you God for blessing me with so amount of money. Or, God, I want this amount of money. Or, thank you God, I want so. Or you can just say $10,000 manifest. Different ways. Or you can just write even dollar sign or any denomination sign, money denomination sign. Or you can write exact amount that you want. For instance, you can just write $100,000. Now we move to step 3. Step 3 is to visualize. And what do you do when you want to visualize? Visualization is very important in manifestation, because if you want to manifest anything, you have to be clear. That's number 1. Number 2, you have to see yourself receiving that particular thing you ask for. So you hold the leaf that you've scripted on and you visualize. You start seeing how the money will feel, how you will act when the money comes, what you are going to do with the money. You visualize as if the money is already with you, but you have to exercise exercise you put a lot of energy into visualization, because this determines whether the thing is going to work or not. Is visualization. At this stage, a lot of people miss it. You be silent and visualize. You put yourself into that position as if what you are asking for, you already have it. For instance, you are asking for $100,000. That's a lot of money. You visualize yourself as if you have received the money, you are spending it, the things you are using it on. Then you see yourself as having it. Then the first step, step number 4 is now to burn that bay leaf. You burn your bay leaf. There are different ways to burn it. You can use lighter, you can use matches, or you can just light a candle and use it to burn it. But while burning it, make sure you have something to hold the ashes. Have something to hold the ashes. You burn it, have something to hold the ashes. That's the first step. The fourth step is very, very important. Make sure you burn it. Allow it to burn. And if you cannot hold it with your hand so that it won't burn your hand, you can look for something to hold it so that it won't burn your hand. But make sure it burns completely and you collect the ashes in a plate or something flat that you can hold the ashes in. Now, the fifth step is to go outside of your house and blow the ashes to the wind. Because on the first step, while the thing is burning, the bay leaf is burning, you are sending your intention to the universe, and you are going now to go and blow the ashes, also reinforcing what you have done. While burning, you are also sending it to the universe. And in this last step, there is a warning, and the warning is that don't start looking over your shoulders as if the money is going to come somewhere. You have done your part, just leave it. Detach yourself from the outcome. Detach yourself from the outcome of this ritual. And if you can do this, if you can follow the 5 steps as I've highlighted, then money and prosperity and your intention that you put will come to you. It will come in different ways. It might come through your handwork. People can bless you. Contracts can come anywhere. Just do this. It has never failed to work. This work all the time. It has never failed to work. Just do it as I've highlighted, and you are going to get the result. If parents, if you don't understand anything about this video, I want you to watch it like 2-3 times so that you really understand it. You can even get your pen and paper and write the steps down and follow it. This can be a monthly ritual. It can be once in a while ritual. You can be doing it whenever you need anything. Instead of running scatter, instead of running to people for help, you can just do this. It is called manifestation. And you are using this bay leaf manifestation technique to attract money, prosperity, fortune, and abundance to yourself. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Share it, like this video, then share it to others. Let others benefit. If you have subscribed before, then thank you so much. Just go down to the comment and leave your comment. Ask questions. If you have used it before, then go to the comment and tell me thank you. If you are new here, you are not clear of anything, go to the comment and ask your question. You can go to the description and see our contact. You can also contact us, write a message. If you cannot drop it on the comment, go to the WhatsApp group and ask your comment, and we'll definitely answer you. If you want to know more about bay leaf, the properties of bay leaf, and the different manifestation technique of bay leaf, then watch this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.